Hey guys, this is jamonline.ph and today we're gonna unbox and take a closer look sa Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo. So yes, Cherry Mobile is still making affordable smartphones and this one is really interesting kasi Google certified. Ano siyang sticker? Hindi basta-basta yung sticker na yan. And of course, before we proceed sa ating unboxing, let's talk about the specifications of the smartphone. So ang Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo ay merong 5.2-inch HD display. Meron siyang MT6737 quad-core processor, which is a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor. There's 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage. Meron tayong LTE dito, a 13 megapixel rear camera. It's actually a dual rear camera, an 8 megapixel front camera. There's fingerprint scanner. There's a 2,560 mAh of battery. And it's powered by Android 8.1 Oreo. So it's not Go Edition, it's Android 8.1 Oreo. Anyway, what are we waiting for? So tingnan na natin kung ano ba meron dito sa Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo. Okay guys, so we got here the Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo. So what are we waiting for? So let's unbox this smartphone. So yan, buksan na natin. So you already know the specifications of the smartphone. So ang trabaho na lang natin is makita ko na ba meron sa loob. So as you can see here, nandito po ang Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo na pag-uusapan natin mamaya mga kaibigan. And then of course we got here yung mga bagay na kailangan natin sa smartphone natin. First of all, we need this. This is one of the most essential part naman of the smartphone. This is the cable. Duh. So, kailangan mo to is, of course, to charge. It's a micro USB cable to USB. Nothing so special about it. Very Cherry Mobile. And then, of course, we got here the earphone. So, very basic ng earphones na kasama natin dito sa Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo. And surprisingly, well, it's an affordable smartphone. So, you know, medyo hindi nakagulat. We got here the battery, which is a 2,650 milliamperes na battery ng smartphone. Okay, lalagay natin mamaya. Of course, we got here the Cherry apps and yan, Cherry things. Then, of course, we got here the manual. Yan. So, very basic naman yung manual. So, hindi naman siya Chinese, so hindi kayo mahirapan like other smartphones. And then, of course, we got here the charger. So, the charger is rated at what's this? See here, it's 800 milliamperes. So unlike other Cherry Mobile smartphones, so 1 ampere medyo mas mabagal yung charging ito. So what are we waiting for? So buksan na natin itong si Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo. Alright friends, so we got here the Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo. So alam naman natin nasa loob, we got 2 gigs of RAM here. We got a 5.2-inch display sa unahan. We got a 1.3 GHz MT6737 processor, 13 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel front camera, blah blah blah. So alam niyo na yon, pinakita ko na sa inyo kanina. So let's talk about the smartphone. So as you can see here, I'm gonna turn on the smartphone. Yan. So nag-vibrate na siya. Bubukas na siya in a bit. Powered by Android. But first, let's talk about the back of the smartphone. So as you can see, it's a removable back cover. So, makikita nyo naman, napakalinis. And we got here the battery. Takes too much of the space sa likod. We got here the SIM card, second SIM card slot sa baba. And then, another card slot, which is the micro SD card slot doon sa taas niya. And then, here we got here the micro SIM card slot. So, dalawang micro SIM card, I believe, slot dito sa smartphone na to. And we're still powering the device. But since inantay pa natin, let's talk about the design and the body of the smartphone. So as you can see here, oh, that's the Cherry Mobile sound. Anyway, makita nyo dito na Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo is actually simple looking. Nothing really special about it. We got here the Cherry Mobile logo at the back. And since removable back cover siya, it is already expected that the back cover is made up of plastic which is well, plastic nga. And then we got here the fingerprint scanner. We got here the dual lens camera, the LED flash, and on the side, this one is pretty interesting. We got here a metal side. Sobrang solid nung feel niya sa sides. despite having an affordable price, itong si Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo ay merong metal frames or aluminum frames. But I'm not really sure, but this one is really solid. I love the metal feel of smartphone, and the ergonomics is actually pretty good since we got here the curve sa sides. Actually, sobrang curve niya. Medyo madali siyang hawakan, madali siyang abutin. Though it's 5.2-inch display, what I like about it is that madali pa rin siya hawakan. So, despite having a plastic back, solid naman yung frame niya, which is super solid. Ulit-ulitin ko, super solid. And then, of course, on the side, on the right side, we got here the power button and also the volume rocker. And while at the top, you can see here the micro USB port at saka ang headphone jack. Then, sa baba, we got here the speaker grill. So, medyo malinis tignan yung baba niya. Then, makikita nyo, I believe these are the antenna lines. Yan. So, give me a second as I set up the Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo. So yan, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo. And as you can see here, well, ano ba masabi ko? Medyo malaki yung bezel niya for today's specifications. I mean, look at this one. Medyo mataba. Medyo mataba. There's no notch in here, but I mean, that's understandable. But again, what I like about this one is that it has a really solid metal build in the Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo. And as you can see here, well, the display isn't the most vivid one. Hindi siya yung pinakamaganda. It's only at HD. And, well, I'm kind of okay with it. But for its price, I was expecting a little bit more dito sa Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo. And what I've noticed about dito pala sa volume rocker and sa power button, kanina ko lang naramdaman nung sinetap ko siya, sabi ko, okay, medyo nakakalito na nandito yung power button and then nandito yung volume rocker niya. So, minsan napipindot ko yung volume rocker instead of the power button dito sa Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo. And, well, yeah, basically yun na yung pinaka-ano niya sa build. And as you can see here, got here the software. Wala tayong Cherry OS dito. However, I'm still fine with it. I mean, malinis naman siya tignan. Yung launcher niya is okay. We got Enjoy, lock screen. We got the file manager, the info center, the Cherry Mobile wireless update. So, basically, these are the applications na kasama lagi sa isang Cherry Mobile smartphone. However, as you can see here, it's not the smoothest one na makikita nyo sa isang transition. Napapansin nyo ba? Well, yeah, it isn't the smoothest one. I kind of expected it. I mean, it's an MT6737 quad-core processor, which is a little bit old. And then, of course, we have the 2 gigs of RAM. And it's a little bit disappointing na ganito yung performance. However, if you want some clean look sa launcher niya, I believe you would like this one. So, sa mga naghahanap na affordable smartphones, I mean, wala naman sila magiging problema dito. And since this is a Google certified smartphone, I believe that the quality is better than you expected. Though sa hardware siguro mag-expect kayo, oh, dapat sa ganda si ganyan. No? But well, again, Google certified smartphone, so dumaan naman siya sa Google kahit pa paano. Anyway, you got here the Google launcher when you swipe to the left. And of course, the camera. So walang kwenta ating kung hindi natin makita yung camera. So this is the camera app. So we got the video, of course, the photo, the beauty mode, which is skin smoothing, face slimming, skin whitening, eyes enlarging. Got here the SLR mode. I believe this is the bokeh mode that I'll have to try out later, and then the panorama mode. So, I'm gonna take some shots, and then tignan natin kung ano bang itsura ng mga shots na makukuha natin using the Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo. Okay guys, so nag-shoot ako ng ilang photos lang, konti lang, sobrang bilis lang, and this one is the bokeh mode. So, I actually like that the bokeh mode is okay dito, pero pag tinignan nyo mabuti, it's actually a radial blur lang, so it's not really based sa depth ng object. So, pag in-adjust nyo yung kanyang bokeh, I'm gonna show it to you actually ngayon. So, SLR mode tayo, and then mag-shoot tayo dito. Oh, sorry. Mag-shoot tayo dito using the SLR mode. And, mapansin nyo na it's actually just a radial blur. And not a blur based dun sa object na sinushoot. Well, yan. So, it's actually a radial blur. Yan. So, pag in-adjust nyo siya, yan. So, malalaman nyo kung ano yung mablur sa kanya. It's actually radial, not based dun sa depth ng object. However, with regards to the quality, I was actually expecting that it would be really bad, but it's not. So, it's actually just fine. I mean, we have a decent lighting over here, so Medyo na-pale lang ako ng konti doon sa pink colors nung character, but overall, okay lang. But this one's a little bit dark. This one's using the normal shot. And as you can see here, nothing so special. May konting depth, pero hindi ko siya in-expect na ganito. Mas better siya sa in-expect ko, especially for Cherry mobile smartphone. This one is brighter. This one's really nice. The colors, it's actually sharp. And however, meron kong mapapansin na konting artifacts sa konti pag sinumin mo. But still, for a 5,000 peso smartphone, not bad. So this one is a selfie. I do look pale here. Yan, so may konting lighting. So, mas maliwanag siya and mas sharp siya compared sa in-expect ko. So, alam ko pangit ako, but well, nakikita niyo naman na I'm actually fine with its selfie camera. So, dito naman sa kanyang rear camera at low light, medyo disappointing. As you can see here, wala na tayong makita masyado na details. Medyo nag-blur na siya. And then another one, I tried another shot. So, yan, not much details pag low light. So, when it comes to camera, well, siguro pag nag-shoot lang kayo sa maliwanag, doon yung siguro makita, okay to, okay lang. Ganyan, pero selfie, okay lang, pero pag, dark conditions na, doon na. So anyway, this is the Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo. So guys, if you want to check this one out, it's now available. And of course, yun lang yung unboxing natin in HandsOn. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I am jamonline.ph. And don't forget to check out our Facebook group at facebook.com/ I forgot. Just search for jamonline.ph official Facebook group. So once again, I am jamonline.ph, and thanks for watching our hands-on and unboxing of the Cherry Mobile Omega HD Duo.